Happy Friday, my Copy That Pops listeners. This is your host, and this is a quick special announcement. I just want to let you know that tomorrow, May 16th, I'm going to be hosting a free Zoom call with an incredible entrepreneur, speaker, international bestselling author, wellness entrepreneur, Allison Melody. She's a biz buddy of mine and also a client. We did her first book launch in December of last year. Oh, hello, baby E is right here in my arms, and he's like, "What are you doing? I want to say hi." And so we are hosting a free Zoom call tomorrow at noon. That's Pacific time because we're both in California, and we're going to be answering any and all questions that you might have about books. So how to brainstorm, how to pick a book topic, writing, self-publishing, formatting, hitting bestseller, using your book to help grow your brand and business even more. Any questions? And if you have any copy questions that aren't necessarily around books, then jump onto, and I'm happy to answer them. It'd be really fun. Sorry, baby E, I'm trying to record. It would be really fun to get to see some of you listeners that maybe are regular listeners, but I've never interacted with you. And it'd be fun to put some faces and names together. So pop on over. I'll put the link in the show notes. So we've got a link to a Facebook event page, and that is where you'll get the link to the Zoom call. We don't want to share the Zoom link out publicly because I guess there's like a lot of Zoom bombings. Plus, I'm holding this little baby in my hands, and I don't have the Zoom link. Allison's going to be hosting the Zoom call, so I don't have my special short link that I normally do. So anyway, I just want to do a quick special announcement. I hope that you and your family are staying happy, healthy, and safe during these crazy times. And if a book is on your brain, then come on and join us tomorrow, Saturday the 16th at noon. And if you can't make it tomorrow, but you still feel like you are really called to do a book, especially during this time, before all the quarantine is over, Allison and I are also launching a 14-week group program that starts on the 25th. And so if you want more information about that, then just probably the easiest thing is to email me, since social media channels sometimes get a little bogged down. So Laura@copythatpops.com. So that's Laura@copythatpops.com. Right, baby E? All right, let's go to the park. Okay. All right, well, thanks for being a great listener, and I hope to see you tomorrow if you are interested in books. But otherwise, keep on writing Copy That Pops, and we'll talk again soon.